Unlock the immense potential of your email marketing by integrating powerful tools within your business ecosystem. Email integration is not just a technical procedure, it's the key to personalized marketing at scale. Imagine automatically syncing your customer data across platforms like Salesforce and WordPress effortlessly for enhanced efficiency. With iContact, effortlessly connect over 100 different apps to streamline your marketing operations without breaking a sweat. The seamless integration of iContact and Salesforce allows real-time insights, ensuring you understand your audience better than ever. You can customize captivating emails with iContact's variety of pre-designed templates that look fantastic across all devices. Getting started with iContact and Salesforce is a breeze. Just purchase a subscription and follow a few simple steps. Track vital customer interactions like opens and clicks to refine your marketing strategy for optimal results. Email integration saves time and reduces manual effort, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters, your audience. Transform your email marketing today with iContact's intuitive tools and exceptional support for unparalleled campaign performance.